Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna show you how to sign up for Luno Bitcoin wallet account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch open a web browser and go to the URL box and type in luno.com and search. Once you get to the official site for Luno, click on the sign up button at the top right corner. Now, in order to go ahead and sign up for Luno Bitcoin wallet, simply go ahead and enter an email address and create a password. You can also continue signing up with your Google account, Apple ID, or with your Facebook account. Select the method you'd like to sign up with. In this video, I'm going to type in the email and password. Simply go ahead and enter a valid email address you've gotten access to and enter a strong password you would like to set for your wallet. Make sure to meet the criteria listed right beneath while creating a password. Once you are done, click on I'm not a robot and click on the Let's Go button. You will now need to enter your email address and sign in. Enter the same email that you chose to register with and click Next. Enter your password that you created just now and click on the Next button to get access to your account. You will also need to verify your email address. Enter the 4-digit code that was sent to your email. Simply go check open your email and you will be able to find a code sent to you. Go ahead and enter the code in the text boxes and then allow access to your device's location, and soon after you set up your location, you will be able to sign up for Luno Bitcoin wallet. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.